Hello, Hardressy here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Evernote app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, find your Evernote. Here we go. And when we want to check if we have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, there shouldn't be more issues, but if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go to the settings, go to the apps, Evernote, permissions, allow, and allow them all. Go to Wi-Fi data usage and mobile data usage here on. And after this, there shouldn't be more any issues. But if you still got some, I'm gonna show you last way how to fix it. So last way is just go to the Play Store again, click uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there should be everything cool with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.